Hi, I'm Mr. Gilbert of Pennaboard Primary, Calapagating, English Department. Here are some commonly misused expressions in English, and here are some suggestions. Some examples are afraid of, not afraid from. So instead of saying Vincent is afraid from spiders, we should say Vincent is afraid of spiders. Arrived at, not arrived to. So instead of saying they arrived to the city at night, we should say they arrived at the city at night. Believe in instead of believe to. Instead of saying he believes to God, we should say he believes in God. Now also remember that when it comes to singular subject such as he, the verb should have s, es, or ies at the end. When it comes to plural subject, the verb should be in a simple form. Careful of, with, or about, not for. So instead of saying Sam is very careful for his health, we should say Sam is very careful of, with, or about his health. Until next time, see you soon.